how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once in 2023. So this is basically a new way on how you can go ahead and unfollow everybody all at once in Instagram. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you can see right now I am currently on my Instagram screen, and basically let's just be a little bit unrealistic here. Now I have 11 following, but let's say I have 900 following. Now I can unfollow everybody all at once because Instagram has implemented a cooldown period of how much people you can go ahead and unfollow within a certain period. So it's not very convenient to unfollow people all at once or by one. So I'm going to show you guys another way on how you can go ahead and unfollow everyone. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you're going to want to go ahead and click the top right corner with the 3 horizontal lines. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on settings. Now you're going to want to go ahead and make your way down to the help page. Now go ahead and click on that. Now there's going to be a few sections here you can go ahead and click on. Now you're going to want to go ahead and click on report a problem. Now usually if you go ahead and shake your phone, it will detect that you actually have a problem. So maybe shaking your phone will actually pull up this page, so it's a lot more convenient for you to actually open up. But basically you're going to want to go ahead and click report problem without shaking and just go ahead and click on that. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead, it's going to ask you, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? Just go ahead and don't include that. And basically all you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to give a screenshot of how many people you're actually following, and you're going to give a brief description of why you want those followers removed. So let's say I have followed many people. And then usually if you go ahead and give a brief description on why you want to go ahead and unfollow all these people that you have actually followed, Instagram would usually get back to you, and sometimes it will go ahead and remove all those followers for you. So it's very convenient, guys. You open up a ticket with Instagram and they'll go ahead and help you guys out with that problem. So that's how you go ahead and remove and unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So it's a new way in 2023. And with that being said, hopefully you found this video extremely helpful. And if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.